Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to install XAMPP on your CentOS 6 server. XAMPP stands for Cross-Platform Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl. You'll need to install some prerequisites, so type in yum install wget zip unzip git, and if you want to do any Minecraft servers on there, such as Multicraft, Java. Now that the prerequisites are installed, we need to go to XAMPP's site on the download page, find version 5.6.36, and copy the link on the download button. In our cell, we will type in wget and paste in the link. Now that it has been downloaded, we need to change its permissions. We can do that by using chmod. So type in chmod. You can type in XAMPP and hit tab to autocomplete. And the permissions we need to set are 775. Type in /, type in XAMPP and hit tab to autocomplete, and let the installer run. Hit enter at any prompts you see. Now that XAMPP is installed, we need to change one more setting so it can run on CentOS 6. So we will open up the LAMP file in the V editor. So type in v/opt/lamp with 2 p's/lamp with 2 p's. Go down to the if egrep 9 and change 9 to say 9x. Save and quit the V editor, and now you can start LAMP. So type in /opt/lamp/lamp start. Your server has started. Full FTP will fail on CentOS 6. There's nothing to worry about that. Your files can still be accessed via SSH. By default, XAMPP is not secure, so we need to secure it for a production environment. So we will run /opt/lamp/lamp security. turn off accessible via network. Set the PMA password. Set the root password. Set the daemon password. And your XAMPP server is secured. Now, phpMyAdmin is not accessible outside of local network. So, we will need to change it to allow access from your system or anywhere else and not just from localhost. So type in v/opt/lamp/etc/httpd-xampp.conf. We need to go down to the line that says require local and change it to say require all granted. Save the file and then restart XAMPP with opt lamp restart. Now we can go check our XAMPP install to see if it's running. So in your browser, go to the IP of your server. And you should see the welcome screen for XAMPP. Check to see if phpMyAdmin is accessible. It is. And you can also check your PHP info. Now, your XAMPP server will not start on startup if your server ever reboots. So we need to fix that. We need to type in ln-s/opt/lamp/lamp /etc/init.d/lamp. And now we can type in check config. --add lamp. And now it will start at startup. And that's how you install your XAMPP server on your CentOS 6 server. Thanks for watching.